Hello class 8th student, it's a part 3 chapter 8 science in which we read about the changes which are come during the stage of puberty. So first is increase in height. This may happens gradually or sometime more rapid than at any other time in child life. Means throughout the whole child life we see that first a baby is born, then toddler, then child, then teenager, then young. So leaving all the stages behind, this stage, this puberty stage, showing the gradual difference in the height, or the height increases rapidly, more frequently. The bones in the arms and legs grow first and make a person tall. Means at the starting, the bones of the arms and the legs grow first and they make person tall. It is also known as growth spurt. It is also known as growth spurt, with an average growth of 3.5 inches a year. And these years, which years? At the teenage, those years, showing the average growth of 3.5 inches per year. The growth rate varies from individual to individual. It may also differ by person to person. Some grows faster, some grows slower. In general, girls grow faster than boys initially, but it's a general phenomena or the general concept that the girls grow fast at the starting stage, okay, than the boys. But both girls and boys reach their maximum height around 18 years of age. Means around the 18 years of age, both girl and boys attain their maximum height, or we can say after the age of 18 this height change becomes very slow, or we can say it getting stopped. After the age of 18 we see minimum difference in this height. The second change in the body shape. During childhood, both boys and girls have body shapes that look similar. Yes? While we talk about the childhood, both girls and boys look like the same. Shape is same or the similar, but these change during puberty. These changes come during puberty. In males, the shoulder become broader, chest become wider, and body become more muscular, and they look like an adult. Means while we talk about the body shape of the boys, we say this thing at this age, their shoulders become broader, chest wider, and body become more muscular. Muscles are more developed in this age and they look like as a adult man. While we talk about the female, the hip broadens. Their hip region is getting broad with more fat deposition around the hips. The waist also broadens. Breasts increase in size, and the milk secreting glands or mammary glands develop in the breast. So these changes come in the female body and this one comes in the male body. Thank you students. We continue in the next part.